Well, I decided to make a last minute stop. Oh my god, there's so many cute birds. They've made a little nest for themselves in here. It's very, very cute. Oh my god, I think it's a baby. What a darling. You probably can't even see it. It is a baby. Oh my god. So this used to be the longest jetty in Australia, I think. But someone has overtaken it. I'm wondering if it might be Bustleton Jetty. This reminds me of Bustleton Jetty as well, with the train track. These sculptures are pretty cool. And I like this clock as well. Is it a clock? Maybe it's not. It's a weird looking clock if it is. Oh my gosh. The baby's on the ship. Let's see if I can get you a better shot of this. Oh my god, the baby. She's following the sculpture. She's on this the pelican now. Right. Got a broken ship. Got ourselves a seagull, a baby bird. I mean pelican, or oh, you know what I think it is? It's one of those duck birds. Oh my god, the baby. I want the baby bird. Got some crabs. That's cool. And some fish. And squid. See the squid at the top. Apparently there's a shit ton of squid around these parts. Oh, and also of course the ranges in the background. So I've gone down a little ways down the York Peninsula today to check out Harry's Fine Foods, and oh my god, Harry's been a busy boy. That was an amazing shop. So it's like a cafe and like a convenience store combined, although calling it a convenience store is like really quite offensive. It's more like the coolest deli you could ever go to. Okay, read the signs, Lauren. Section of the jetty has been closed for safety reasons. Caution, uneven surface. Okay, reading signs, following the rules. Alright, not sure how far I'm going to get because I'm pretty knackered after a very long day of walking. But quite beautiful. And I think that's where I've just come from, Woomera Island, I think. And I think that's what it's called. Lovely.